right, this one wants you to take a graph and from looking at it, write the equation for the line. You can only do this if it is a very clear line. And I'm looking down here. This is where they want the answer, and they've got y equals. That means they want it in the y equals mx plus b form. Whatever number is right here, that is the slope of the line. And then whatever number is right here is actually the y-intercept. And I can tell from the picture that it does cross perfectly at 3. So the b is equal to a 3. And then the slope, and actually I'm going to do the slope in yellow because the line is blue and I wasn't paying attention, but slope is used by the letter M. Why, I don't know, because it starts with an S, but anyway, it can be described as the rise over the run. So if I look at the green point, which is my y-intercept, and I go from that point to another point that's very clear, and I can see that this point right here is very clear, I can see that I would have to rise 1, 2, and run to the left. There's another point right here that looks good. I'd have to rise 1, 2 squares and run 1 square to the left. When you rise up, that's a positive movement. If you run to the left, that's a negative movement. So m is actually a -2. So over here, my equation would be y equals -2x plus, and then since 3 is positive, it's a +3. That's my answer. Now, just in case somebody else has a line that's doing something different, let's say I have a line that looks like this. Okay? Now when I'm looking at it, it crosses the y-axis at -5. And then I can see it crosses right here at this point. That is a rise of 1 and then a run of 1, 2, 3 to get to that point. A rise of 1 and 1, 2, 3 to get to the line again. So this one would have the equation of y is equal to, I rose up 1 and I ran over 3. So that's 1/3 x. But this time, my y-intercept would be a -5, a -5, so I'll put -5. That's all there is to that. That's it. That's the easiest way you can do that problem. So I hope that helped.